Hi Natural Hair Lover, welcome to Hair Wash Friday with PlatonicRose Regiment, where I help you become masters of your beauty and your babies as well. So today we're going to focus on one homemade remedy for dandruff. But before we begin, I just wanted to make the disclaimer that I am not a doctor or a health professional or a trichologist. So if your dandruff is related to health issues, try and see your trichologist. So without further ado, let's jump in. Dandruff is a skin condition that causes itchiness and flakiness on the scalp. So that's why we're going to be using some aloe vera today, and we're going to be using some peppermint leaf as well. This can be substituted, and then we're going to use green tea. And so to begin with, I'll make sure we're adding 2 cups of water into the kettle, and this is distilled water preferably, but you can use boiled water as well. And then we're going to put that into the kettle and have that on 200-degree temperature. So the causes of dandruff, I usually either just you having too much oil or grease on your scalp, or it can be caused by less shampoo and dry scalp as well. So we're going to add 1/2 cups of our green tea leaf. If you have peppermint oil, that's even better, but I'm not using peppermint oil today because I don't have it, so I'm substituting that for green tea, for peppermint leaf, sorry. So if you have peppermint oil, definitely just do a few drops of it. And so I'm adding my green tea to that. Green tea is really good in terms of antioxidant that help aid in the fighting dandruff. And so I'm going to add my water to that after it boils, and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes to just let all the juice come out of the tea and the peppermint leaf as well. So peppermint leaf is really good because it calms down your dandruff and just, give that sensation to it, which really helps so that you don't have to keep scratching your head a lot. And then our main ingredient is going to be our aloe vera leaf. I'm going to cut that up in pieces. As you can see, I'm taking out the bottom of it, and then I'm going to cut that and then take out the juice from within it. So your aloe vera is really good in terms of antioxidant. It helps aid and fight dandruff. But other ingredients that really help aid in the dandruff process are tea tree oil, coconut oil as well. So if you have those ingredients at home, definitely use those. If you have tea tree oil, it's preferably you can just massage that into your scalp. So I'm going to cut that out, and then I'm going to get that down by pounding on it, and then I'm going to screen it and mix everything together. And so dandruff is usually caused by not shampooing a lot, or maybe your skin is too dry. But if it's caused by eczema or any skin condition, I would definitely recommend that you go see a trichologist, like I said before, so that you can make sure that you're taking care of your hair. But if you feel like it was just probably due to the fact that you were taking care of your hair good enough, then definitely use this homemade remedy. And also they have some grease and stuff that you can buy from the store that can help aid in dandruff as well. So I'm just mixing that together, and I'm going to put that in my spray bottle, and I'm going to then move on to applying it to my daughter's hair. And now for the application, I'm going to spread this into her hair and then let it sit for about 10 minutes and then rinse it out. But you can leave this in. Just make sure to condition your hair. Before you go, what is your favorite homemade remedy for dandruff? Let me know in the comment below. And then also, as a thank you, I'm still doing shout outs. So definitely DM me if you want me to shout you out in my next video or promote your homemade remedy. And now I just wanted to, before I go, shout out to Ria's girl. She was the one that asked the question about dandruff. So thank you. Okay, see you guys next week.